Good morning, students. Today I will start the very short answer type questions. Very short answer type questions in your sixth textbook, page number 34. Page number 34. Open your all of you your textbooks. Third Roman in page number 34. Third Roman, very short answer type questions. Today I will give the notes. First question. Mention any two definitions of state. Mention any two definitions of state. In page number 18, open your textbook, page number 18. In page number 18, definitions of state. It is the one side heading of a state lesson, definitions of state. Here we will see the 5 or 7 definitions are there. 5 or 7 definitions are there. You choose any two definitions. You choose any two definitions. You write and by heart. Okay. Next question. How many essential elements does the state possess? What are they? Again I will read. How many essential elements does the state possess? What are they? In page number 19, essential elements of state. The various definitions of state reveal some essential elements of state. They are population, territory, government, and fourth one is the sovereignty. Okay, this is the second question. Very short answer type questions. This question, every question carries 2 marks. All of you draw this picture also. Essential elements of state. Write down the 4 essential elements. Below this picture also draw this question. Okay. Next question. What do you mean by government? What do you mean by government? In page number 22, 1, 2, 3, third paragraph. Third paragraph. Here all of you identify this third question. Professor Garner says thus, government is the agency or machinery through which common policies are determines, common affairs are regulated and common interests are promoted. Okay, this is the third question. Fourth question. How many other elements does the state possess? Name them. How many other elements does the state possess? Name them. In page number 23rd of state. Other elements of state, totally 4. First one is international recognition. Second one is permanence. Third one is general obedience. Fourth one is popular will. These 4 side headings, these 4 points, you write down the what are the other elements of the state. Okay, it carries 2 marks. Fifth question. What do you know about society? The term society refers to the interaction of complex norms among the people. People are the agents of social relationship. They are not regarded as things. Society is indefinable. It is a process rather than a thing. Motion rather than structure. It is the fifth question, page number 24. Page number 24. Number 24, state versus society associate. Okay, in second paragraph. Okay, all of you take the fifth question. Okay, in page number 28, fourth paragraph, McIver definition and association. As an organization deliberately formed for the collective pursuit of some interest or a set of interests which its members share. Which its members share. Put the tick mark in sixth question. Okay. Students, eighth question. Seventh question, leave it. Eighth question, does a state require international recognition? Does a state require international recognition? In page number 23rd, international recognition in second paragraph. Every state requires recognition of other sovereign states. Such recognition is rendered by some international organizations like the United Nations. The UN membership is a means for recognizing states' sovereignty. Whenever a new state comes into existence, its recognition by other states and by the UN is considered as very essential. Next question, students, all of you see ninth question. Mention any two differences between state and society. Mention any two differences between state and society. Next question, 10th question, write about any two differences between state and government. These two questions in page number 26, differences between state and society. It is, one table is there, no? Totally 11 points. You can choose any 2 or 3 points. You by heart and read and write. Okay, write down the notes. After you read and write, you will send our assignments for me. Next question, 11th question, page number 32, differences between state and government. Here, one table is there, no? Totally 11 points. You can choose any 3 points. You write down the notes. After you write the assignment, you send your assignments to me. Okay. Next question, how many organs of government are there? Explain their functions briefly. Explain their functions briefly. 11th question, how many organs of governments are there? Explain the functions briefly. Government comprises 3 organs. First one, legislature. Second one, executive. Third one, judiciary. Legislature function is legislation. It makes laws. Executive function is administration. It implementation of laws. Judiciary function is adjudication of laws. Adjudication of laws. Over. Next one, last question. Mention any two differences between state and association. Mention any two differences between state and association. In page number 29th, one table is there, no? Differences between state and association. Here, totally 8 points in this page. You can choose any 2 or 3 points. Okay, write down your notes. Okay, this question carries 2 marks. Okay, now very short answer type questions are over in this second lesson. All of you write the notes and after send your photos, notebook photos. Okay. Okay. 2 marks question notes are over. Okay, thank you.